Hello guys, welcome to Proto Media. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your app icons on iOS 15 so that you can have your own custom icons on all your favorite applications. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to have an app called Shortcuts. Now you should have this app by default on your phone. If you don't, you need to go to the App Store and you need to search for Shortcuts. And it is this first option here. Once you've done that, you need to open the app itself, and on the top right you need to tap on the plus button, and then you need to go to the bottom to the search bar and search for open app, and under scripting that's what you need to select, open app, this multicolored square here. So I'm going to select this one, and you need to select the app itself you want to open. In this case it's going to be TikTok, so you need to select app here under this blue background dish here. You select this and you need to select, of course, TikTok, which we are going to use for this example. So I'm going to select TikTok, and once you've done that, on the top right beside the X button you need to select this blue settings icon, and then you need to tap on add to home screen. Once you've done that, you need to rename the shortcut name to be the name of your app itself. In our case, it's going to be TikTok. And then you can click here to select your own custom app. Now, you can create your own apps and you can put them under your photos. In our case, we don't have any icons here. So what you can do to get custom apps is go to Google, and you need to search for whatever is the app you want the icons from. In our case it's going to be TikTok, and then custom icon, and then you need to go to images here, and you have a list of custom apps here for TikTok. And I'm going to select this blue one here, and all you need to do is to tap and hold and save add to photos. So now this icon is now on our photos. So if I open my photos here, the icon is here, and you go back to your shortcut apps and you tap on the icon here and choose photo, and you select the icon you just saved. Now you can zoom in or out depending on your icon. I'm going to leave as it is, and then I'm going to click on choose. Once I've done that, I'm click on add on the top right, and that should be it, guys. So I have this custom TikTok app, which if I open it, it opens the default TikTok application. Now, and that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to make your home screen a bit more cleaner, you can move the default TikTok app to a group of other apps, so at least you don't see the default icon together with your new one. So you can have your own TikTok custom app, custom icon on its own here. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please consider subscribing, and you get notifications for every time I put a new tutorial up. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.